Hi, today we're going to take a look at angle bisectors and incenters. So within our triangle here, we have three angle bisectors coming off of each vertex, each corner. That angle bisector cuts our angle into two equal parts. So if I got 27 down here, I got 27 there. If I have 31 here, I got 31 there. This also gets split into two equal parts, but we need to figure out what that is. So let's take these two. So we have 31 and 31, giving us 62. Down here on the bottom, on angle B, we have 40, 54. Together, when we add them up, we get 116. And we want to, the whole triangle adds up to 180, all those angles. So we're missing 64 to get us there. That 64 then has to get split into two parts because we have an angle bisector, two equal parts, giving us 32 and 32. That's what's left. So that's the first thing that we need to find, our missing angles there. We also need to find what our perpendicular distance is. So what that means is when you have a triangle and three angle bisectors, they all meet at a point in the middle called the incenter. Now this point has a very special feature. All of our perpendicular distances are all the same. So when you take a triangle, find your angle bisectors, the distance to the edge of each side of our triangle, they're all going to be the same. So now if I have my hypotenuse, I have a leg, I want to find this missing leg there, we can just use Pythagorean Theorem to solve for that. So Pythagorean Theorem, the angle or the side of the triangle that's always longest or going to be across from our right angle is always going to be in C. So that's going to be our 10. A and B are always going to be our legs. I don't care which one goes where, as long as they fill in our spots. So we have everything. Now let's just do our algebra and solve for x. 6 squared is going to give us 36. 10 squared is going to give us 100. Now let's move that 36. X squared equals 64. And in order to undo the exponent, we square root both sides, leaving us with 8. So the perpendicular distance for every one of these is going to be 8 because they're all always going to be the same when we have an incenter. And that's angle bisectors and incenters.